Every day, hospitals lose precious time and resources searching for staff, patients, and vital equipment. Legacy tracking solutions are expensive, complicated, and out of reach for most hospitals. But what if there was a better way? Introducing Radio Vision from Emanate Wireless, a breakthrough in real-time location tracking. Engineered for hospitals of all sizes, Radio Vision brings 99.9% room-level accuracy using the unique capabilities of Silicon Labs MG26 and BG22 Bluetooth chipsets, including the integrated AI machine learning hardware accelerator that enables efficient on-device processing. Radio Vision sensors are compact, battery-powered devices that easily mount to any doorway. Each sensor detects motion using a PIR detector, then listens for signals from standard Bluetooth tags, badges, smartphones, or even medical equipment. Using patented angle of arrival technology and machine learning powered by the Silicon Labs MG26, Radio Vision instantly determines if a device has entered or exited a room. No cables or proprietary infrastructure required. Radio Vision works with any Bluetooth LE 5.1 device, from simple tags to smartphones and wearables. No need for special or expensive hardware. Seamlessly integrate room-level location data into your existing hospital software to automate tasks and streamline operations. Imagine the possibilities. Nurse call alerts are automatically canceled the moment a caregiver enters a patient's room. Asset and supply management becomes effortless. Locate equipment instantly and keep inventory up to date. Staff safety is enhanced with location-based duress buttons, while hand hygiene compliance is easily tracked. Every interaction, every workflow, optimized. Radio Vision delivers 99.9% room accuracy at a fraction of the cost of legacy RTLS. It democratizes advanced tracking for every hospital, not just the largest. Proven in real hospital environments with major healthcare providers already on board and recognition from industry leaders. Protected by advanced patents and guided by a world-class team with deep expertise in wireless and AI. Ready to bring true efficiency and visibility to your hospital? Discover Radio Vision, the affordable, accurate, and easy-to-deploy RTLS solution that's transforming healthcare. Visit emanatewireless.com to learn more and schedule your demo today.